As an experienced React developer, it's important to know these tips to enhance the application features and functionalities. Dealing with this in mind, I have created a video on top 5 pro tips, which is excellent to have in the React application. Apart from this, if you have any other tips, kindly post them in the comment section. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Destructuring. Try to destructure the props and state object as much as possible, because it benefits the code to be neat and clean, as well as making it easier to read. This also allows for the faster access to nested data and eliminates redundant object references. We do not have to iterate over an array or object repeatedly to get the properties of its nested children, for example. Let's look at this component. I have destructured the props object, so I can able to access the properties directly rather than referencing the props keyword each time. And also the code looks neat and clean, right? In tip number 2, we have functional components, which are easier to understand since they have less code. Furthermore, there is no this binding like there is in a class component. React hooks allows for greater state management and performance optimization. So, from now on, let's try to use functional components. The list then includes arrow functions, which are easier to read and understand. We don't need to worry about binding this keyword because the arrow functions will take care of it automatically. Additionally, at least in class components, it is mandatory to use arrow functions. React Redux is the 4th tip. React Redux allows for predictable state updates in the application and simplifies code maintenance. Since we have a centralized state in the application, it is simpler to implement logics based on the data changes. Then we have TypeScript as the final item. It is preferable to use TypeScript for long-term application maintenance, and the components are simple to understand. IntelliSense support combined with static type checking accelerates development. TypeScript detects errors during transpiling process, which is the compilation process from TypeScript to JavaScript. This reduces the number of errors in the application. So, those are the top 5 pro tips for React applications. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in another video. Bye.